Frankly speaking, it's wonderful. I was not expecting that too much conversation will be there. A lot of interactive sessions are there. Even if I'm having a 20 year of experience, till after attending the workshop, I'm still is going on. I'm just feeling like a student. Even if we know many things, but there are many things which we don't know, and this is the very structured way uh, of teaching the server leadership style, how we can work step by step manner. No, we are also learning about the imperatives, we are also learning about the behaviors, we are also learning about the attributes. It's, if you ask me, it's a very structural way of doing the things, how we learn any skill. Similarly, this is the best thing which I have seen in my life, that server leadership skills are teaching in a very professional way. Okay,
That's
that
right.
is the
That's
short
right.
feedback I want to give as of now.
Yeah.
See,
So
I heard about this server leadership. Okay, even if in my past organization also they are talking about server leadership, but nobody has gone at that level where UST has achieved till yet. I have joined UST 2 months back, and today
oh
after
wow.
attending this workshop, I'm thinking that I have learned a lot of things within 2 days. Really, it's a wonderful thing, and I also appreciate the leadership team of UST, that they are encouraging us to attend these sessions. Also, imbibe all this culture into our day-to-day activities.
That's
I think we have to cultivate it. Process
absolutely.
is started already, and I think we definitely start seeing results after months or after years. Anyway, it's a ever going process. It's continuous
Absolutely.
improvement is there in the people lives. Okay, in the team culture, we have to build it. And servant leadership, once we are already doing that. But still, if you go to a next level, we can definitely achieve a great results. Yes, why not? Even that, first of all, I want to salute all the team. Dr. Madana, Anu is there, then Mary Matthew is there, and some external facilitators are also there. I also maybe ask my manager also and my colleagues also to attend this workshop whenever they get any chance in the future. Yeah.